Bless up yourself, good people, good people. Today I come to you a cappella, fella. No music, no nothing, And on tonight's menu, it's a sesame shrimp salad with just loveliness, goat cheese, lettuce, spinach, arugula, tomatoes, corn, onion. I got some cranberry raisins up in here and some other little things going on. It's a beautiful thing. Now, how much would you pay for this outside? How much would you pay for this type of salad? Mind you, it's tiger shrimp. I cut them in half because I need to eat some more tomorrow. So why are you talking like that? Because I have to make it real smooth and nice. I'm going to do things to this salad that I'm not even going to tell you. And I don't need any music to do that. Oh my. Oh my. You're so beautiful. I just got to blow kisses at you right now. Mm, mm, mm. Oh my. One more time. Hasta la vista, baby.